So what's up everyone, it's me again, RM, and welcome to this channel, RM and Creatives. So meron naman tayo pagkakaabalahan. This is creating my old drawing into vector. So while on a lockdown, syempre, nag-iikot-ikot tayo sa bahay and I found this old journal. So nakita ko tong old journal ko, binili ko to way back 2014 pa, 6 years ago. Dr. Jose Rizal Travels Trials. So journal to, hindi to libro. So you can see, yan. Journal. Binili ko to sa Team Manila sa may Trinoma. So yan, napalusulat. So, yan, mga dati, 2014 na checklist kung ano mga bibilhin. Unfinished song, old work for underground machine. Dati kung before naging Makaya, underground machine siya. Yung shirt line, clothing line, underground machine. And I found this one. The Underground X The Giant. So gagawin nating RMNM X The Giant yan. So ginawa ko tong artwork na to way back 2015, day 56. Anong month yun? So yun, 2015 day 56. I believe it's March. So yun, ginawa ko to para sa kanya dahil isa siyang tattoo artist. At yun, so gagawin natin tong digital work. So let's go, pipicturean natin at gagawin natin sa PC. So kukunan natin ang picture. 1, 2, 3. So yun, ito na. Papasa na natin dyan sa share it. Pupunta sa ating PC. Send. Hanapin natin yung photo. Yan na. Okay. And wala. Nandito na siya sa PC. So, nandito na tayo sa Adobe Illustrator at na-import ko na itong image na pinicturean natin kanina. So, what we're going to do is to lock this layer, the image layer, create new layer, then name it outline. So, yun. Umpisa na natin ng outline. I'm using pen tool and stroke. Ang line weight natin ay nakadepende sa 2 to 3 points. So, yun. As you can see, yung mga outline ko dito ay sapid-sapid to make sure na enclose lahat ng area para sa ating paint bucket tool. So mamaya tatanggalin din natin yung mga sabid-sapid na yan, yung mga overlap na yan. And we're done. It's time to convert our stroke to object. So, unang gagawin natin ay select all. Yun sa taas, object, expand appearance, then yan, na-convert ka yan sa object. Hindi na siya stroke katulad kanina. So, next step, select all again, object again, then live paint, then make. After that, object again, live paint again, then expand. So yun yung nagkakat doon sa mga overlap. So select, ungroup twice, isa, ungroup, Dalawa. So yan, pwede na natin tanggalin isa-isa yung overlap. Tingnan nyo. Oops. Isa. Tanggalin natin isa-isa. Yan. So let's do this to the rest of the art. So as you can see ba yung workflow nito kumpara doon sa R15 vector. So yung R15 vector, inuna ko yung kulay bago yung outline. Pero dito, inuna ko yung outline bago yung kulay. So tapos na tayo magtanggal na sapid-sapid natin. So what we're going to do now is to make a color layer. New layer. Then rename it to color. What we're going to do is to select all the outline. Then copy. Ipipaste natin siya dito sa color layer. Paste to color layer. Make sure na naka-check yung snap to point natin dun sa view panel. So what we're going to do is to select all the outline from the color layer. Then kuha tayo ng isang point. Itatapat natin sa parehong point dun sa taas ng outline layer. So yan, snap. Nice. So it's aligned perfectly. Naka-align yan perfectly. So what we're going to do now is to lock the outline layer. Dahil dito na tayo magtatrabaho sa sa color layer lahat. Create color palette muna, which is this 4 color. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga tawag sa kulay nito. Basta maganda yung kulay nito. Maganda yung kulay nito. Promise. Select all the outline again. Select all the outline. Then object, live paint, make. Then dito sa toolbar natin dito, select the live paint bucket. So ito yung gagamitin natin pag kulay-kulay. So umpisa na natin pag kulay. So ito yung dahilan kanina kung bakit naka-overlap lahat yung stroke natin, dahil kung hindi may enclose yung may gap na ganyan, lalabas yung kulay sa paint bucket. So pangit yun, kailangan enclose. Yun yung dahilan, kaya dapat naka-enclose talaga. And we're done coloring. Ito na yung final step, which is the shadow and the highlights. So what we're going to do now is to create another layer above the color layer and name it highlights and shadows. So highlights and shadows. So yun, wala naman may tuturo dito. Lahat ay freestyle na. Ang gamit kong tool dito ay pen tool, fill color, naka-X yung stroke. So trial and error kung ano magkakaigi, anong hindi. O highlights, freestyle na talaga to. Ikaw na bahala sa mata mo kung maganda ba siya o hindi. So marami ditong shadow, hindi nagkaigi, delete ko. Minsan hindi ko rin maiwasan na may na-delete dun sa live paint kanina pag hiwa-hiwalay ng mga stroke. So pinipil the gaps ko na lang. Trial and error talaga, wala talagang perfect.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much
So yun, hanggang dito na lamang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Like, comment, and subscribe. Support Filipino YouTubers. Peace!
That you be all mine. I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too